Hello students of class 10. Welcome back once again to your biology class. Today I am here not to deal with the theory portion but to tell you what and how you will do the practical in your biology. So I think you have got your lab manual copy where you are supposed to write the practical experiments. There you will see one side is white, another side is ruled. You all know this, although you have to write in the ruled portion and you have to draw the diagrams in the white side of the lab manual copy. While drawing the diagrams, please remember you should use only pencil for drawing and leveling the diagrams. Please do not use any color or any shade in the diagrams. Shading and use of any other color except pencil is not allowed for drawing diagrams in biology. Remember this, and this time you know your syllabus in biology has been decreased by the CBSE board. As a result, the management of natural resources portion is coming under the internal assessment. So from there I'll give you one project to do, and I'll tell you now first in practical what you have to do in the midterm. So you can see in the screen, although you all know how to write, in your last class you have also written. So your this time for the midterm your topic will be to show experimentally that carbon dioxide is given out during respiration. You all have a book with you, your lab manual, science lab manual. So if you open that book, you can see the page where you will get this experiment to show experimentally that carbon dioxide is given out during respiration. This will be your aim of the practical. So while starting a new experiment, please start it from a new page. Suppose you have already written any experiment and it has ended at a half page. So you are not supposed to start another new experiment from that half page. Change the page, go to the next page and start a new experiment from a new page. So first you have to write the aim. You know, theory is also given in the practical book. So no need to write the theory portion. No need to write the theory portion. Start from aim. First you have to write the aim to show experimentally that carbon dioxide is given out during respiration. After that, materials required, what type of materials are required for performing this experiment. Then you have to write the procedure, the steps for performing the experiment. You will see in your book it has been written in points. You also write in points, but use your own words for writing the practical. Means please don't use direct sentence as given in the book. Use indirect sentence. In English you have learned direct sentence and indirect sentences, how to convert. So use that technique here also. Use indirect sentence for writing the procedure. And when it comes to the diagram, draw the diagram on the left white side of your lab manual. Please do not use any color while drawing. Please do not paste any pictures in your practical copy. Only hand drawn diagrams will be allowed. Use pencil for leveling also, and at the down you write what is this diagram of. Like here you can see in the screen it is given experiment to show that carbon dioxide is given out during respiration. So whatever diagram you are drawing, level it, and at the lower portion of the diagram write what the diagram is of. Then you are writing the observation on the right side on the ruled portion. After that the result or the inference. Okay, then finally the precautions. The precautions are a must for writing the experiment. What precautions should be taken while performing the experiment? So I think you have understood it. You know how to do it. Please don't use color. Use only black and blue color for writing the practicals, and for the diagrams use only pencil. Now I will tell you something about the project work which you have to do in class 10. This time management of natural resources, the portion is under the internal assessment. As a reason, you have to make a project on this chapter. What type of project? I'll tell you. I have selected some topics based on this chapter. You will select any one topic according to your interest, and you have to make a project based on that topic only. Use relevant diagrams or paste relevant pictures based on the topic selected by you. No project without the diagrams will be entertained. Be very careful about that. Your project should be very interesting, it should be very attractive, it should be very informative. So collect your project notes from the book, and also you will get from the internet. You should use A4 page or the white page for making your project work, and it should be done in a channel file or any type of file you can use. It should be done separately, not in the lab manual. Okay, and in the project work you can use any color ink, any color for making your project attractive. But remember, please do not use red and green ink. Except red and green ink color, you can use any color you want to make your project. So I will tell you few topics for the project, and you select any one topic which you can do and get your project ready in time. So here you can see 7 topics have been given. So from these 7 topics you have to do any one. First topic is project on management of natural resources, which is entirely based on the chapter, and you can use the entire knowledge from the book for performing your project. Or point number 2, you can make a project on wildlife conservation. Number 3, conservation of our environment. Number 4, rainfall distribution pattern in India. Number 5, rainwater harvesting. Number 6, biodiversity. Number 7, waste disposal. Okay, so from these 7 topics, without getting influenced by others, whatever topic you think is suitable for you, and you can make a very nice out from this project, that topic you select, and proper diagrams based on that topic you have to paste on the left side. Make the project as much attractive, as much informative as you can without using red and green color. You can draw the diagrams, you can paste the diagrams, you can make charts according to your wish, you can arrange your project. Okay, so start making the project and writing the practicals from now onwards, and try to complete it in proper time. Okay, thank you for today.